Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Join an art community. Online or offline, companionship is amazing. Having someone that you can talk about the problems you're having with your art, or just to vent for a bit can be very helpful. I highly suggest you enter some sort of artistic community. If you can find one near your home or city, that's great. If not, there are a lot of communities to check out online. Join an art community online or offline. It will help you improve much quicker, and have support from fellow artists. Try a few different ones and then try to be active on the one you enjoyed the most. Help other people with your current knowledge and accept criticism from other artists. Having someone to talk to is very important to help you develop your drawing skills quickly. This is one of the best drawing tips I have for beginner artists. Meeting and talking with other artists is always helpful, not only to learn more but also so you can motivate each other. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.